Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to swaddle your baby using our Snuggle Hunny jersey wrap. I'm going to be using Levi as he absolutely loves to be swaddled. I've swaddled him since he was born, and I've been using our jersey wraps to swaddle him, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open up your wrap on a diagonal like this, and we're going to cross over a nice deep triangle and lay it out flat, ready for baby to go in. See that there? So make this pretty deep, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pop the baby down with the shoulders sitting across here, and then we're going to wrap your baby. Okay, I've got baby Levi here. We're going to use him to swaddle, so I'm going to show you how. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is pop baby down gently, right here. It doesn't matter which arm you go first. You're going to pop the arm down and then swaddle across the body, and then you're going to tuck that side under, like so. Then you're going to grab the bottom layer and go up, tuck that in, and you're going to tuck that under as well as a second layer. Final layer, grab the hand, pop it down, and then across the shoulders and down. And then pull this down like so, and then tuck under baby's body. There you have it, baby Levi, perfectly swaddled, super easy to do, and he is nice and content.